So what's up guys, Nick here. Today is November 18th and GoPro has just released the beta firmware update to enable the max lens mod on the GoPro Hero 10. So I am out here on a trail and we're gonna give it a test here on the longboard and see how it does. I'm gonna try to move it around in a bunch of different directions, hold it in weird angles, just to test it out, and we'll see how the stabilization works, see if it does the horizon leveling. This is gonna be, I set the bitrate to high and it's in natural color, and I set the sharpness to low. It's still 2.7K only, unfortunately, with this update. I don't know if it's gonna be 4K down the road, but yeah, let's see how this goes. So right now I'm just holding it out and spin it around, see what happens. And now I got it upside down, out in front of me. Put it off to the side. Let's flip it. So that's a 360 spin or 180 spin. Put it back down. Let's see, let's go behind. And that's probably sideways, but I obviously can't see it. So I'll be just as interested in seeing the results of this video as you guys will. I'm actually also filming, I'm using the Rode Wireless Go and the Media Mod, because I figured it'd be cool to get some good audio, and if I want to make longboarding videos, you know, it'll be sweet. Let's throw it out to the side. It is tilted 45-degree angle right now, but maybe you can tell, maybe you can't. Hello. Nice. Cyclist. Oh, this is a nice view. I'm just gonna throw it up over my shoulder. Let's see what happens. Let's get it. I have no idea what angle it's at. Here, I'll rotate it a little bit, back and forth, and just spin it on my shoulder. I don't know if my hand's in the shot or not. Now I don't even know which way the camera is. Does it matter? Hopefully not. Oh, it's that way. All right. Let's go down. How's that view? Put it right up to the board. Just move it around. That's probably not a very good angle. Put it behind me. Oh man. Let's get some carving action in. Oh. Hopefully there's not too much wind noise in this Rode Wireless Go in the media mod is working good. We got the dead cat on it that came with it. Let's see what that looks like from behind. All right, guys. Well, it's pretty cold out, so I think that is enough for today. Hopefully this was a good test. You'll know when I do. See if this works. I'm really excited for it to work. I've been waiting for it on the Hero 10 for a while because I want to do these longboarding videos. So let me know in the comments what you think. I'll know when you know, so I don't really know. I haven't seen the footage yet, but we'll see how it looks. And please give this video a like if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.